Hey guys, what's going on? If you're wondering where I've been on the dial-up internet channel, well, I've been kind of busy with college. I've been doing a lot of hard work trying to become a botanist. And the funny thing about plants is, well, a lot of them have things to study, like the green and the leaves, but not all plants have green and leaves. So that's really interesting. But one thing I did learn when I was like messing around, we were hanging out, me and my college buds. We were all hanging out. Someone brought a Rubik's cube, and I was like, "Oh, let me see that." And they're like, "Oh, you're not gonna solve it." And well, I got pretty good at it. So I'm gonna shuffle this. All right. I know it's not like a normal Rubik's cube. It's kind of small, but I'm gonna shuffle this, and I'll see you later. And we're going to solve a Rubik's cube together on my channel. That's really exciting. So to start my new skill, I thought I'd shuffle it up really quick. So what we're gonna do is, well, it's rather easy. See, I was lucky enough to have this. It was well, you see here we kind of have a T, so we can turn that. Wait. We can. It became a J, and that's very good. All we need to do is L's are a very good thing to have on a Rubik's cube. I'm one of the first people to figure that out, that strategy. See, we got a little L, and now we almost have a U, but not quite. We're missing something here, and that, or these two, one could go here, one could go here, or maybe two could go there. Not sometimes it gets jammed and I can't turn it, and it's a little irritating, I'm gonna be honest. God damn it. There's another L here, so now we just need to well, now we got like a Tetris shape going on, and that might be easier to solve. Alright, it's not turning that way. Hold on. That's not fucking irritating at all. There we go. We got the L again. So that's pretty good. Maybe we can get it like. God damn! Come on! fucking solve one of these things. Fuck! How do you fucking do these things? I don't get. We got another L. God damn. The L's still here, so that we could we could here's how you do it. Come on, it's not turning. Ugh. Fuck! God damn it! Oh, fuck! My fucking tutorial is ruined! What the fuck do I do now?